Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Spotify account if you have forgotten the password. So watch this video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on informative videos similar to this. Now firstly, you need to open up the website of Spotify, which is open.spotify.com. After you do that, you will land on the official website of Spotify. From here, click on login, and then you can click on forgot password. Now you will need to enter in the email address or your username. After you type in your email address or your username, you can click on I'm not a robot, then click send. Now a mail has been sent to your email address from where you can reset your password. Now head over to your email. After you open your email, you can see a message such like this. Now you can click on reset password. Now you can create a new password. Again, repeat your password. After that's done, click on I'm not a robot and then hit send. And just like that, you have changed your password and your password has been recovered. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more content similar to this. Thank you for watching.